Hey Aquarius, getting ready to do your general reading. This is going to be from the 2nd of October to the 8th of October. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. I've not included the 1st of October because I've done a full moon in Aries reading and the full moon is on the 1st. So yes, 2nd of October till the 8th of October, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. I see you there. Amazing cards. Aquarius. Communications coming in. Oopsies. I'll take this card since it wanted to come out. Card at the bottom of the deck is the Empress. Beautiful card. You're manifesting your wishes, Aquarius. I see in the past you felt trapped when it came to your ideas, your passions. You did not know which way to go, whether to choose your passion over career, or probably wanted to start something new, and you weren't sure of how things might pan out. But I feel you're getting out of that energy. I think something has ended. Probably you guys have given up your job, or you were made to quit your job, or it could be a relationship that you had to leave. It was a blockage, Aquarius, and it had to leave your life because you're meant to do better things. You're meant to go from choppy waters to calmer waters, and you are going there. You are manifesting things. I see good things for you, Aquarius. I see happiness. But right now, you need to go through these stepping stones. This could be painful. I feel you are waiting on something, waiting on a news, waiting on a communication from somebody. Okay. Yeah, I feel you're going to get that communication very soon. But it's not going to be something that you expected. If you are waiting on a communication for a job, I don't think it's going to come your way because there's something better. So this communication might not be as great as you thought it would be, or this job that you were looking for, or this work opportunity, or even a venture, a business venture that you wanted to start, and you were asking people about it. It may not be that great. Hence, it's not. This is not going to be something that'll make you happy. Also, you might be involved with somebody who is selfish. So be aware of such people. They want to have their cake and eat it too. And that's not the kind of attitude we need in our lives, right? Because you're not like that. You're manifesting something beautiful and something way beyond your expectations. You're manifesting health, but for that, you need to keep your exercise regime on. Continue with your physical exercises, run, walk, swim, or just do Zumba or something like that. It'll open up the energy channels in your body and bring about freshness in your cells and in your thoughts as well. When we release endorphins, we feel happy, and you've got the happy thoughts card also. I feel you guys are moving on towards something that you were truly meant to be, that you were truly meant to have, or to the partner that you were truly meant to be with. Because it could be a relationship also. You are leaving this selfish person behind and taking this leap of faith towards somebody who is worthy of your love, your care, and your commitment. You'll be getting some kind of communication, and you'll feel as if justice has been served. Just stay optimistic about everything in life. Clear out clutter from your life because it may not be serving you in a very positive way right now. Things that you don't require, people that you don't feel are good for your mental, your physical health, you need to let go of those because they are becoming a blockage in your manifestations. Step out of your comfort zone, Aquarius. Great. Pay attention to your hobbies, hone your crafts. Um, I do see a lot of communication coming in if you are waiting for communication from a person regarding a proposal, like a marriage proposal or a relationship or something. It is coming, but don't get into it in a haste, because sometimes we don't realize the person is wearing a mask or they put up a false front, and we fall for it. So just take your time and don't indulge in these kind of relationships that come and go. Be sure before you step into it, because it may not end very well. If it's a job opportunity you're waiting for, the company that you're waiting for to, that the communication from a company, they may not see, they may communicate, but they may have these negotiations that you may not be very happy with. But rest assured that there is something absolutely amazing waiting for you. So just hold on, hang in there, and stay optimistic. Happy, indulge in movies that make you happy. Read books that are funny. Do that. Exercise. Spend time in nature, guys. That's the best you can do to exercise your mind. And step out of your comfort zone. Try something new, Aquarius. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.